ॐ सुमुखश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकलम्बोदरस्य विकटविघ्ननाशविनायक धूम्रकेतुर्गणार्धक्ष भालचन्द्रगजानन द्वादशैतानि नामानि सम्पूजयेत् पठ्यादपापि विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमेस्तथा संग्रामे संकटेश्चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते ॐ. Good evening. Today I am continuing with my previous episode. গত কালকের বিষয় সেই বিষয় নিয়ে আমি আজকে আবার সেটাকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি। গতকালকে আমরা আচারের প্রথম মুখবন্ধটি, the first initiation of achar. Achar, what is achar? Achar is the rituals through which we can enter into the whole process. আচার হচ্ছে সেই पद्धतिगत विषय যেটার মাধ্যমে जिसके जरिए हम ये आध्यात्मिकता की अंतर तक पहुंचने की प्रयास करते हैं. आचार is that সোপান আর স্টিয়ার্স. আচার হচ্ছে সেই সিঁড়ি যেটা বেয়ে আমরা ধাপে ধাপে উপরে উঠতে পারি. তো from the ancient ages there was Vedachar. Ved was the most ancient ways of wisdom. বেদ আমাদের জ্ঞানের প্রথম প্রকাশ, প্রথম আলোক, the first enlightenment of this oriental heritage, that is Veda. And after that Veda, Vedanta, Vedanga. In the Vedic era, the analysis of Veda, it came as Vedanga, Vedanta, Upanishad, in short form of Veda, in the form of stories, short stories, Upanishad came. In the Vedic era, the Vedic saints, rishis, they used to learn Veda as the base of wisdom and they kept it in their memories. তাদের মাথায় স্মৃতির মধ্যে রেখে দিতেন এবং সেই স্মৃতি থেকে তারা তাদের they used to teach the disciples. From their memories they delivered it to their disciples. So it was called Shruti. Ved was been heard from Guru and Guru to disciples. From Guru to disciples is this parampara, that is Guru parampara, and that is the ultimate base of our learning. The Gurukul learning system, it was very much popular. Gurukul শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থা সে সময় জনপ্রিয় ছিল, and till date also Guru Dev Rabindranath Tagore, he was also keen to Gurukul education system. That's why he established the Vishwabharati University. And in our previous renowned university, Nalanda, Vikramshila, Takshila, all these universities was famous for their Gurukul learning system. এই যে বিক্রমশিলা, নালন্দা এবং তাকশিলা এসবগুলো আমাদের সেই গুরুকুল শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থার জন্য ये बहुत परिचित था. परंतु जो एग्रेशन जो हुई थी भारत में, जो मुगल एग्रेशन और उसके बाद जो अंग्रेजों की एग्रेशन जो भी हुई, इसके चलते हमारे पुराने धरोहर, those ancient books and the ancient treasures of our knowledge, that has been vanquished by the aggressors, from those who came from out of India to reign India, rule India, and to plunder India's treasure. So They have tried their best to destroy all the basics and the knowledgeable spirits of Indian civilization. हमारे सभ्यता की धरोहर को खत्म करने के लिए वो जी जान की कोशिश लगाए थे, तो फिर भी it has not been totally destroyed. History says that beyond their attempts, several attempts of several dynasties of Mughals, sultans, and so much dynasties, still now it is containing, the system is containing, and the Vedic system and the Veda, Chatur, Veda, Rig, Sam, Jeju, Atharva, that is till now it's containing, and we go through the Vedic way of puja till date. Also, in each and every puja, Ved mantra is very much necessary, and for the Varna, Chatur, Varna, Varna, Shrestha Brahman, when he becomes reformed as a संस्कार जब आता है, ब्राह्मण को संस्कार दिया जाता है, ब्राह्मण उपनयन संस्कार से उपनयन संस्कारेर मध्य किन्तु वेद पाठ वेद मंत्रेर माध्यमे, एंड द वैदिक गायत्री मंत्र महाव्याहृति, यही that is the base of our Vedic knowledge, and from that for Kali Yuga the rituals has been somehow reformed from Vedachar. Then came the Vaishnavachar. When Vishnu became the Lord of this world by his 10 incarnations, from Satyayera to Dapar and Kali also, there are 9 incarnations of Vishnu, and through that incarnation people came to know that Vishnu is the Palanhar, Vishnu is the part of the Brahma Shakti to sustain this world. इस जगत की पालन करने के लिए विष्णु তিনি ব্রহ্ম শক্তির সেই অংশ, তো সেই অংশ হিসাবে তিনি জগৎকে পালন করছেন এবং যুগে যুগে and each and every era he has come to destroy the demons and to protect the saints, protect the shastras, protect the religion and spirituality. He came in various forms. In total 9 forms has till now been found, and one is to come in Kalki, that is Kalki. Now the thing is that Vishnu Pujan, when it has been pervaded and the people became very much keen to Vishnu, বিষ্ণুর প্রতি যখন অনুরক্ত হয়ে গেল এবং একটা শ্রেণী, it became very much devotee, it became a adorned devotee, একদম গভীর ভক্ত হয়ে গেল। বিষ্ণুর গভীর ভক্ত যারা হলো তারা হলো বৈষ্ণব cult, then evolved Vaishnav cult, and from Vaishnav cult there the Vaishnavachar, it evolved from that feelings. Then came Vaishnavachar. After Vaishnavachar, the Vaishnaviya Tantra also came, Vaishnaviya system also came, and there was no entry, there was no pass for the rank and files at that time in puja and rituals and all those things. সাধারণের প্রবেশ তখনও পর্যন্ত ঘটেনি। সাধারণ মানুষেরা তারা তখনও দেবতা এবং দেবতার বিষয়ে তারা পূজা পাঠ ইত্যাদি বিষয়ে they have not got the entry, and they have not got the permission, they have not got received the permission from the higher classes, from the Brahmins, saints and rishis to enter into the process of puja and rituals. And for them Shiva became the base of that sadhana. She became the base of their deity. Shiva was easily accessible to all classes of people, even ladies and female can also worship Shiva. He was also part of the Brahma Shakti, and who was the part of the wisdom also. He was the form of total wisdom. জ্ঞান কি যে প্রতিমূর্তি, জ্ঞানের মূর্তি ছিলেন শিব। তো সেই শিবকে জ্ঞানের মূর্তি হিসাবে ধরে নিয়ে যখন শিবকে সবাই পুজো করতে শুরু করলো, সাধারণরা সবাই, সাধারণ মানুষেরা, সুর অসুর, the demons also started worshipping Shiva and got Shiva their birth, the boons, the awards and the blessings from Shiva. When they started getting it from them, the Asura was very much keen and attentive to Shiva, and Shivachar became a very, very prominent feature of our achara and our spirituality. And one of the great saint of great devotee of Shiva at this time is Shukracharya, and Shukracharya was a great Shiva of that time. And after that, there has become many such saints like Gorakhnath, Machendranath, and all this. They were also Shaiva cults. They were also from Shaiva cult. Vaishnavachar, Vedachar, Vaishnavachar, Shaivachar. After Shaivachar, there became some sort of confusion whether the puja, how the puja will be done. In the Kali Yuga, how the puja will be done. The puja, will it be very complicated or a very simple way through bhakti and bhav and all, or it has to be added with some sort of positive application of some techniques. For Kali Yuga, these saints and those very sadhakas, those very inventors of this spirituality, they thought the necessity of some sort of application of technical knowledge inside the spirituality. তারা বুঝেছিলেন যে কিছু কৌশলগতভাবে প্রয়োজন আছে এই আধ্যাত্মিকতার মধ্যে, কিছু প্রয়োগের। not only penance, not only devotion, not only meditation or dedication is not sufficient. Something has to done, something has to do, proper execution is needed. किछु कोरले किछु पावा जाए, कुछ करने से कोई फल मिलता है। तो कार्य कारण संपर्क, the relationship between the cause and the work, the ways and means, relation between the ways and means, that has been evolved. And for this reason, this tantra and this tantric vyavastha, it has been evolved. And through this tantric vyavastha, tantric system, this achar became evoluted, and gradually it became very easier way, it became developed in some easier way. सहज होने की, विज्ञान की जो नीति है, the principle of science is to be easy and make everything easy. So to make everything easier, complications should be discarded, and there should be some sort of application of energies and techniques. কিছু কৌশল এবং কিছু শক্তির প্রয়োগ করে আমরা যেমনভাবে একটা জিনিসকে সরাতে বা নড়াতে পারি, বিজ্ঞানের তত্ত্বে আছে যে বাইরে থেকে বল প্রয়োগ করে কোনো বস্তুকে যদি সরানো নড়ানো যায়, তো আমরাও সেই চেষ্টা করতে পারি। that effort was done by the saints to move something, to make something dynamic. The science is a dynamic subject, and through this dynamism they started with the tantra and tantric prayog, and the achar has been evolved accordingly in this way. And the four others I have already told you: Vedachar, Vaishnavachar, Shaivachar, and the next Dakshinachar, Vamachar, Siddhantachar, and ultimately Kolachar. I shall talk to you tomorrow about this acharas. for this time till now, till then. Thank you very much for listening.